Welcome back to How To Knots for another knot tutorial. Today we're going to tie the taut line hitch. So to start, bring your rope and feed the tail end underneath the main line. Then we're just going to make a simple loop overneath, and then we're going to do the same thing. So then we have two loops over the main line with the tail end. Now we're going to take the tail end and go underneath the main line, and then back through this loop here. That's basically the taut line, and now the whole process is just tightening it. So what you want to do is pull on the tail end while you compress the knot with your hand. As you can see here, you just want to make sure that you compress the knot very well, because when you put it under tension, it's great, but when there's no tension, it starts to get loose. So there I compressed it, and it looks a little loose, but under tension, the knot will stand. And the great thing about the taut line is that it's adjustable, just like this. So you can slide the ends in and out, and then to your object. Now we're going to do it around an object, but faster. So all you got to do is the exact same thing, except in the beginning, feed the rope around your object, such as this tree branch in our example, and then just tie the taut line. If you like this tutorial, subscribe, and thank you for watching How To Knots.